Your mind does not want to do Simran though. Your mind is like a pashu, it's like an animal, specifically referring to either donkeys or cows or bulls, something that's kind of used in a farmer setting. And it starts running away. Sometimes it runs away. The donkey will start running away. The bull will start running away. How do they stop the pashu from running away? They put a pole between its legs so it can't run away, and the pole stops it. Your mind is this animal that is running away towards the vices, which are the fields, because the animal is running towards the fields. You need to take Guru's Shabad and wrap it around your neck as well. You need to take God's name, Guru da Shabad. You take Gurbani and put it around your neck. Not, I don't mean like literally write it and just wear it. I mean, have it inside of your heart, have it inside of your gala. Then that way your mind, which is an animal, it'll stop running towards the Vishya Vikar vices, which are in this analogy, the form of the fields.